Hello, everyone!
Welcome to Learn English ab ovo.
Come with us to the Botanical Garden.
And let's learn English along the way.
Hello, everyone. It's already late, and tomorrow is a very special day. I'm going to the Botanical Garden in the morning. I've been planning this visit for a whole week. I even packed my small bag, water bottle, notebook, and my favorite pen. I want to write about all the beautiful plants I see. But if I don't sleep early, I won't wake up on time. And the garden looks the best in the morning light. So, good night, everyone. I'll see you in the morning, bright and early for our botanical adventure. Good morning, everyone! I woke up before my alarm today. That's how excited I am. Look at this sunshine. Perfect day for a botanical garden visit. All right, time for a fresh outfit. Let's see what we have in here. I'm wearing comfortable shoes because we'll walk a lot. And I brought my notebook because I want to remember every flower we see. Let's go! We're here, and it already smells like fresh leaves and wet soil. Listen, you can hear birds everywhere. This place feels so calm. Good morning! The garden looks beautiful.
Good morning. First visit?
Yes, I wanted to learn about the flowers.
Then you came to the right place. Come, I'll show you. These are roses. We have more than 20 varieties: red, pink, yellow, and even white.
They all look the same from far, but up close they're so different.
Each rose has its own fragrance. Try this one.
This one is sweet, like perfume.
These are sunflowers. They always face the sun.
So they wake up early too.
Yes, they follow the sunlight throughout the day.
They look like little suns on tall green sticks.
This is the orchid house. These flowers are delicate and need special care.
They look like butterflies sitting on the stems.
Orchids teach patience. They bloom slowly, but they last long. This is hibiscus. It blooms in the morning and closes by evening.
So if I came late, I would miss it.
Exactly. Nature has its own schedule. Marigolds are strong flowers. They grow easily and stay bright for many days.
We use these in festivals too.
Yes, they bring color and happiness. And here, the lotus. It grows in muddy water but stays clean.
That's beautiful. Growing in mud but still pure. This section of the garden feels different, quieter and more delicate.
You're standing in the aromatic and seasonal collection. The flowers here are known for their fragrance and subtle beauty.
That sounds fascinating. I'm ready to learn.
Take a moment and inhale gently.
The scent is incredibly soothing.
Almost therapeutic. Lavender is widely used in essential oils because it calms the mind and improves sleep.
So it isn't just beautiful, it has a practical purpose as well.
Exactly. A perfect blend of beauty and utility.
I'll remember lavender as the flower of calmness. This fragrance is much richer and more intense,
Jasmine releases its strongest scent in the evening.
which is why it is often associated with night gardens. It feels almost poetic, a flower that waits for the evening to express itself.
A lovely observation.
Jasmine represents quiet elegance to me. These tiny blue blooms look very delicate.
They grow in clusters and often cover entire forest floors in spring.
That must look like a blue carpet stretching endlessly.
It creates a truly magical landscape.
Bluebells seem gentle yet visually powerful.
Yes, they have a quiet strength.
The symmetry of these petals is remarkable.
Tulips are admired for their geometric form and vibrant colors.
They look almost designed rather than grown.
Nature is the finest designer.
Tulips symbolize color and precision in my mind. There is something very pure about their simplicity.
Daisies are often associated with innocence and new beginnings.
Their structure is minimal, yet visually balanced.
Simplicity often carries the strongest message.
I'll remember daisies as symbols of simplicity. That climbing wall of color is absolutely striking.
Bougainvillea thrives in bright sunlight and requires very little maintenance.
So it represents resilience as well as beauty.
Precisely. It flourishes even in challenging conditions.
Bougainvillea stands for strength and vibrancy. These flowers have a very graceful presence.
Lilies are often used in formal arrangements because of their elegance and strong fragrance.
They feel dignified and calm.
Many cultures associate lilies with purity and renewal.
Lilies represent quiet sophistication. You know so much about every plant. How do you remember all this?
When you care for something every day, you understand it like a friend. Plants don't speak, but they show you what they need: water, sunlight, space, and time.
That sounds like life too. Today I learned that flowers are not just pretty, they all have a story. Roses have fragrance. Sunflowers follow light. Orchids teach patience. Lotus teaches purity. I think I'll come here again. I had the best morning today. I met a gardener who showed me a whole world inside a garden. If you ever feel tired, visit a place like this. Walk slowly. Look closely. Nature always has something to teach. Thank you for coming with me. See you in the next adventure! If you enjoyed learning with us today, please like, subscribe,
And share the video.
keep practicing with Learn English Abovo.
See you next time!